Dear student, today we will teach about specific heat model of Debye. After giving Einstein specific heat models, there were some problems in Einstein model. So Debye gave a new and critical idea to explain specific heat of substance. As we see that in the Einstein's model of specific heat, whenever the temperature is going to high, then experimental setup and theoretical setup of data is equal. But on the other hand, where the temperature is too low, when the Einstein specific heat model is starting to divert from experimental data. So to take this new hypothesis, Debye explained a new term which is called cutoff frequency. Whenever the Einstein said that all the atoms or molecule in substance behaves like a oscillator, and oscillator frequency may be between 0 to infinity. But on the other hand, when the Debye took a new concept into account that there will be a lot of oscillator, but frequency of each oscillator lying between 0 to a cutoff frequency omega. Here omega is given like this: 0 to omega d. Omega d is Debye cutoff frequency of substance, and after calculating we find out the omega d value. This was the difference between Einstein's and the Debye model of specific heat of substance. Whenever we solve this, we get internal energy of substance U equal to 3V h cross upon 2 pi square Vs square 0 to infinity integration with respect to omega cube upon E h cross omega upon kBt minus 1, where omega is frequency of oscillator, h cross is Planck constant, kb equal to Boltzmann constant, T equal to temperature of substance, pi is a constant, capital V is the volume of substance, and V as the velocity of sound waves in substance. After solving this, we finally get value of U equal to 9 kBt T upon Td cube exponential 0 to xd dx into x cube upon Ex minus 1, where Td is known as Debye temperature for substance, and it varies from substance to substance. After solving this, we have the value of Cv like this: 9 kb T upon Td. This is specific heat according to Debye model. If we look into account some another comparison with Einstein's and Debye model, so we see clearly that the experimental and the theoretical data are equivalent and overlapping to each other. This is the main supporting for Debye models. On the other hand, V goes up to lower temperature limit, then this term is equals to like this behavior: C metal equal to C electron plus C phonon, and the total specific heat is directly proportional to cube of temperature. But according to Einstein, it was only the square relations. Whenever the Debye theory says that specific heat of substance at low temperature is always to proportional to third power of temperature. So it is very best fitted to experimental data, and this reason is that the problem of specific heat and the Dulong-Petit's law is completely solved by Debay's theory. Thanks.